Hey guys, good morning. My name's TJ. I work with HDPocketDoors. We're at a new build here in Paradise Valley, as you can see. Prior to stucco, got beautiful Camelback Mountain right behind us, and we have installed 2 standard pocket door frames in this house and a 3-door collection that's going into a movie theater room. And I want to walk you through and show you everything that we did here this morning. So over here we got a pocket door. It's going into kind of a common area in between 2 bedrooms. Right here we have 2x4 wall. It's already got the kerf jam on it. Doors already hanging. This is very simple. You know, if you were to have TVs in here, couches, you know, you wouldn't want to have a door hanging out here in the opening. This job is for Manor Retreats and K-Lux Creative. They brought us on to put these pocket door frames in, and I think they turned out really nice. It's a good jam, doors hanging nice and flush, operating smoothly. 2x4 wall. The next frame that we have is in a 7-inch wide wall. Check that one out. So this one's going from kind of a butler, pantry, mudroom area into the laundry room. Perfect location for a pocket door. Obviously, you're not going to want to have a door in here. Probably have a refrigerator or something right here. Got your appliances on the inside here. The difference in wall thickness really never affects HDPocketDoors. You could have any wall thickness above 4 inches and you can fit any door size in there. We'll make the frame custom fit. Obviously, your jambs are going to be a little bit thicker, but I think that's something that stands out about our company. There's no limitations on wall thicknesses. We'll do everything custom to get your door fit right in your wall. So let's have a look upstairs. So up here we have kind of a loft area. This customer has a movie theater going in upstairs here. Beautiful scenery of Camelback Mountain. The cool thing about having a collection system is that you're covering almost 9 feet with the pocket only being about 3 feet deep. The way these doors operate, you pull one out, there's an extrusion system mounted to each one of these doors, and they actually will grab the second door and the third door, and they all soft close at the same time. And this one is floor to ceiling. They are going to be doing a head jam and a closing jam here, basically to seal off any light that would get in. These are pre-finished. We hung these doors here for this customer. We love seeing this final product pre-stained. And the nice thing about this collection system provided by CS is that every catch on the bottom does not have to go through. And once you have your flooring in and your jam in, there's very little to tell you, how much hardware is actually on here. So they're very good about secluding the hardware inside and behind stuff so that it's not an eyesore when you're looking at the door when it's in the pocket. Thanks for doing the walkthrough with us. If you're looking for some giant 10-foot tall doors to go into your movie theater, make sure you reach out to us, hdpocketdoors.com, or visit our socials. We love showcasing products like this. And just remember, anywhere you don't want to see a door, call us and we'll put the door in the pocket for you.